This flying robot might look like the best Christmas present ever, but it's no toy. It's remotely piloted by brain power. This mind-bending device is taken through a test flight by robotics research students at the University of Maryland in the United States. It is Maryland's Robotics Day, a chance for students and researchers to show off their latest creations to the press and public.
Right now, we're using electrical signals from the brain to determine a person's level of attention, and then using that to then control the height of a micro quadrotor vehicle off of the ground.
This slithering robot is inspired by the movement of a snake. Interlocking sections unclip and reattach, propelling the snake bot along the ground slowly but surely. But there is a serious application for this clunky snake, as designer James Hopkins explains.
Well, because it's a snake-inspired design, we expect it to go through robo into small spaces, looking for possible victims of any kind of natural disaster.
After an earthquake or other disruptive disasters, the snakebot can be used to reach places human rescuers can never squeeze. Robotics Open Day attracts a lot of young children, all fascinated by robots. They may be inspired to be the robotic engineers of tomorrow, says Satyendra Gupta, Maryland Robotics Center's director.
What we're doing.
The general public is excited about the idea, is intrigued by the idea that there is a device with intelligence which can work with them, which can work for them, and can do tasks which are pretty difficult.
The university has a range of facilities for students to test their designs to the limits, like its 376,000-gallon neutral buoyancy research tank. This team of student divers can work on their underwater robotic arm in a safe environment. Eventually, the team hopes their robotic arm will be used for underwater exploration.